Yes guys, welcome back to DS Family Lifestyle Vlog, guys. So today, guys, I'm back in the kitchen. It's been a while. So today my wife requested that if I could Escovitch some fish and some actually have some freshwater shrimp here that I'm gonna actually deep fry also. And on the side today, guys, um, we're gonna get some green plantain that we're gonna fry it and crush and then use that for the side dish. We have some bammy here that we're gonna be using. We have some actually we're gonna make some festival also, guys, that we're gonna be using. um so over here we have the pot here ready with the oil and ready to go, and it's gonna drop a scotch bonnet pepper in there and some garlic. And I have some scotch bonnet pepper over there with some sliced up or diced up um, carrot here. We have the onion, we have the garlic here, guys, and I have some white vinegar. So yes, guys, so all of this, guys, gonna be in this video. So just stay tuned, guys, and I will show you exactly step by step what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Yes, guys, check in back. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the shrimp and let them get there. Try to fry them out, guys. And you can trust me, guys, these are huge. They're big. These are very big, guys. Yeah. They almost look like a lobster tail. That's how big they are. Yeah. Gonna put one more in there and then let this batch here fried, guys. And after they fry, then I will show you guys what they look like afterwards. When I take out the first batch, I will show you guys what they look like. Trust me, it's gonna be epic, guys. It's like a seafood dinner today. It's like for all the people in that know Helsher back in Jamaica, that's the type of style that I'm gonna be doing this evening. Yeah, with the bammy and fish and this without these freshwater shrimp would have passed as little mini lobster tail. That's how big they are, guys. And these are like actually fresh from the fish market this morning. I went there and grabbed them, especially for this purpose. So yes, guys, so just stay tuned, guys, and I will show you guys when I'm finished with them and finish up the fish, and I will show you guys what they look like. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yes, guys, check in back. So yeah, we finished fried the fish and the shrimp there. So yeah, I just have the Escovitch sauce here going on the stove here. As you guys can see, I have some carrot, some onion, some scotch bonnet pepper, and a little bit of a few pimento seed in there that to give it some flavor. And just gonna let this saute down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna actually add the vinegar in there, guys. So yeah, I have the vinegar there, guys, that I'm gonna add to it to make the sauce. So yes, guys, and I will show you guys what the shrimp and the fish turn out to look like, guys. So yeah, so just stay tuned, guys, until I finish up the sauce here. I think you guys had seen me make this sauce before, and a couple of my previous videos that I did, but where this one here is a little bit different because we're adding the shrimp. Now we're gonna actually escovitch the shrimp that I never did before on a video. So yes, and with some green plantain and some bammy on the side. So just stay tuned for that, guys, and we'll check in back with you guys later on. All right, guys. Yes, guys. So yes, so there you have it, guys. There you have it right there. So that's what your Escovitch shrimp, and that's what your fish supposed to look like when you actually finish with it, guys. So yeah, so there you guys have it, Escovitch fish and Escovitch shrimp, guys. So yeah, I still have a little bit here of the vinegar here that left over here that I'm actually gonna pour over it in a sec, guys. But I just want to show you guys a sneak peek of what it looked like, guys. So just stay tuned, guys, and I will show you when I'm doing the bammy and doing the plantain, guys. Trust me, it is look good. I'm telling you guys, look good, smell good, everything. So we have the carrot and some onions and some pimento seed and scotch bonnet pepper in there. That's what actually made the Escovitch sauce, guys. And if you guys want to know how to make this, guys, it's pretty straightforward. Once you get all those ingredients, guys, and you get your vinegar, and for the people that doesn't like the harsh scent of the vinegar, guys, if you guys are doing it, just tip a little bit of granulated sugar in the Escovitch sauce when you're making it, guys, and that will actually cut that strong scent of the vinegar, guys. So that's what I did. Just put a little bit of granulated white sugar in there, with a little hint of the Maggi, you know and that's the finished product there, guys. Trust me, look good. Look at those shrimp tail there, guys. They almost look like a lobster tail, I tell you. Look good, I'm telling you, guys. So yeah, so that's actually what we're gonna have for supper today, guys. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I know I couldn't show you everything step by step, but you know when you're doing, I have the little one here with me, so it's kind of hard. I'm just giving you guys a little clip of what it looked like. All right, guys, so just stay tuned when I'm doing the bombing and plantain and the festival, guys. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, yes, guys, yes, guys. So yes, so there you guys have it, guys. So here I have the plantain in here, actually giving them a pre-fried, and then I'm gonna take them out, and then I'm gonna crush them, guys. And then I'm gonna put them in there back to get the final fried with a little bit of salt, right? So I'm just giving them a pre-fried right now, and then over here, then that's I have my bammy there soaking out there, guys. So yes, so just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, and I will show you more of this epic video in a second. Stay tuned. Yes, guys. Check in back. So yes, so I already finished do the plantains here. Right, as you guys can tell, I have the plantain here, right, the crushed fry plantain. And then I have my bammy over here, guys. Trust me, they're good. And then as you guys can see here, the shrimp and Escovitch fish and Escovitch shrimp here. So actually, guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna do the festival. So yeah, so that's the last thing that left, and then I will show you guys the actually presentation after we finish. All right, guys, so let's stay tuned. Yes, guys. So yes, there you guys have it. So this is actually everything that I've been looking after. So we have our bami over there, guys, and we have our plantain, green plantain that I crushed it there and fried, and we have some festival here, guys, on this side here, and then we have our Escovitch fish here, guys, and then our Escovitch shrimp, guys. So yes, so there you guys have it. Trust me, this look amazing, guys. Look amazing, man. When I was back in Jamaica, and on a Sunday we go to the beach, and we will have this on a Sunday when we go to the beach, guys. Yeah, with a nice cool red stripe. Yes, guys. So Yeah, man. So that's actually what it looked like, guys. That's actually what it looked like. You know, this is the finished product here. Of what I've been preparing. So I'm gonna show you guys when I make the presentation and a plate and show you guys what it look like again. All right, guys. So just stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. So there you guys have it. So this is actually the plating of it here, guys. So there we go. I got two piece of plantain, two piece of bammy, and two festival and a fish, and two piece of shrimp. I think that's all I can eat, guys. So yes, so there you guys have it. You know, always remember to like, share, and comment, and tell a friend for tell a friend. You know, and most of all, subscribe to the channel, guys, and tell us how we're doing. You know, it's 1 days, guys. 1 days from the lifestyle vlog. You know, so stay tuned, guys, for another one coming up pretty shortly. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.